Hi everyone, this is Advita and today I'm going to talk about Samsung Galaxy M21 2021 edition. I've been using this phone for a few weeks now and I must say it's quite a performer. So let's dive right in. The variant I have here is Arctic Blue, but there are other color variants available too. It has a 6.4-inch Super AMO LED Infinity U-Cut Full HD display which is protected by Gorilla Glass 3. What is truly impeccable about this phone is its picture quality. The 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixel triple camera paired with a 20 megapixel front camera allows you to capture stunning images with absolute clarity. Along with this, the 4GB RAM along with a 64GB internal memory expandable up to 512GB ensures faster processing speed and a large storage volume. It is powered by the latest Android V11.0 One UI 3.1 operating system with Exynos 9611 octa-core processor, so there are no dull moments with this one. Overall, a brilliant smartphone in a budget range that lives tall to its claims.